Go. Now jump down.
Yeah, jump down.
He didn't fall.
Yeah.
I want to see him
Better
fall.
make it to the roof.
Go make it.
At least make it into the truck bed. Nick, you should so do that.
No.
I'll do it. Where's my coat? I'll do it. What?
Jump from the railing into the truck bed with all the carpet and stuff in it.
Look out.
I hope you hit your face. Mom! Mom!
Alright. Somebody hold that door open.
Oh my God, Mike.
Oh, this is not gonna end well.
No, that's the whole point.
That will. It is.
Are you really?
Yeah. Why not?
Don't break your face.
Hold on. Let me take one. I'm trying. I'm like.
Don't tell him that.
I'm trying to
He
step
might
this
quit.
out, 'cause it's gonna end
What do
badly.
you need to do?
That's the whole point.
helmet.
Nick, I know you got a helmet in your room somewhere.
No. Which leg do you usually push off of if you jump on one leg? Because whatever leg that is, you need to step with your other leg right here.
I'm not stepping on this.
Pop. Oh, you're not?
No.
You're good.
Oh,
I'm gonna use my
are you
hand
kidding?
and vault over it.
Summer.
You're gonna trip over it.
Hold on. Let me be smart about this. Hold this. I trust you more than I trust Nick.
Smart about it, you wouldn't be doing it at all.
Sometime. Oh, and these, even though they're broke.
Yeah, if there's mattress and it
Yeah,
was
there's
like
duct
that
tape.
foam covered
Yep.
car.
Oh my god.
Ow!
No, Nick was kind of in the way of the light. I didn't catch it.
So I
Do
gotta
it
do that again?
Yeah.
What did you do? Oh, my head's in the way. Here, I'll move back to you.
Oh, shit. My fucking shoulder took the whole force of the corner of the truck.
Don't hit Little Dog on your
Hell
way. Nick would probably do a front flip on
Just a little snow, Nick, and he fucking flips off that.
I would. Well, I don't know. That's kind of shallow.
Don't break the bench. Or Mom's probably.
Alright, you ready?
Your face. Yes.
Are you filming?
Yes.
Filming!
Yes.
Who's that dog?
Little dog.
Little Dog.
Come here, little dog.
Come here, puppy.
Jump over him. He's another obstacle.
Wait, Star.
What? What did they stop?
I said Star.
I think it said stop.
No.
I just realized I gotta move this.
That'd be helpful.
Alright, are you ready this time?
Yeah.
Star.
Sure.
Yeah. If the dog doesn't get in the way. Come here, Star. Star.
This one's definitely going on my Facebook. Or YouTube.
It's still recording too. There's no captain in you.
Move the dog.
There's like
Star. Star.
acidness in
Little dog,
you.
move.
Come here, Star.
Come here, Star.
Come here, girl.
Come here, gorgeous pup.
Perfect captain picture. It's just like.
Not really. Actually, no, it looks like your foot is on that over there. Whenever you watch it later.
Nick,
This is the perfect captain
Just
picture.
cracked.
Yeah, sure.
Come here, Star.
you filming out there, smart one?
Yep.
Alright.
It's been recording for a while. It's on 4 minutes.
Ow, fuck.
Yay!
Oh, dude, I gotta get off this. I'm laying on fucking piss-covered carpet.
That's pretty funny.
Oh.